Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through a fix for your Apple ID verification. Failed on your phone, something like this. Then I'm going to walk you through 4 different options to go ahead and fix it, and we'll go ahead and start. So the first thing you can do is just to reset your network settings. Go to Settings in your phone, go all the way to General. Go down, Reset, and hit Reset. Network Settings. Go ahead and put in your password, and that will just reset your network settings, basically the Wi-Fi connectors and everything like that. Then go ahead and try to log in again if that's not working. Option number 2 is to reset all settings. Yeah, reset all settings. Basically, it will go through every different outlet in your phone and reset it down to the manufacturing settings, and then go ahead and try to log in. Then the third option is to go ahead and use somebody else's phone. Once you're on somebody else's iPhone, log into their phone in your iCloud so that your settings come up. Basically, you go to their profile, you go down and you hit sign out, and then you would sign in on their phone. From there, you'd go to the same place in your settings, hit your name, go down, find the device that is not working anymore, remove from account. Then you're going to go back to your actual device and sign in again, and you'll have to restart and have to sign in. And then the last and final step is to use somebody else's phone and go to iCloud.com. Sign in to your iCloud. Hit Find My Phone. It will bring up. You'll probably have to sign in. Then it's going to bring up all of your devices in one area. Go ahead and locate the device that is not working right now. Click on it and then erase iPhone, and then you will reset it down to the manufacturing settings. Just so you know, the last 2 options or the last option, when you erase the phone, if you don't have a backup in place, then it's going to be like you're resetting the entire phone. And so you'll have to start over from scratch. However, if you have your backup in place, then it's going to go ahead and back up to the settings that you've had or the latest backup. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.